Today we'll be showing you how to make spicy deep fried kebab. There's a few different ingredients that goes into this recipe, and we'll show you exactly how to make it. But first things first, you want to make sure you have a kilo of minced beef ground up. That's what we have here right now. You can either buy this from the supermarket or you can grind it up yourself. Either one works fine. You'll also need to slice up an onion like this into thin pieces, and you'll want 4 slices of bread. So first things first, we'll be adding this whole 1 onion that's sliced and diced up into the minced meat. Next, we're going to be adding water to the 4 slices of bread and just squishing it to break it apart. Mash it up so that it has a paste-like consistency. And we'll also add this to the meat mixture here. Okay, next we're going to be adding some other ingredients. We'll start with some ginger paste, which is just ginger blended in water to create a paste-like consistency that looks like this. We'll be adding garlic paste, same thing here, garlic blended with water. Green chili paste, and we'll add that again into the mix. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of that green chili mix, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of salt. Finally, we'll add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 1 full egg. Once you've added everything in, start mixing it up with your hands. Do this for a couple minutes to ensure everything is well mixed. And that's basically it. Once you've completed the mixing, you want to take these in your hand and form a kebab ball out of them, similar to what's being done here. So it should end up looking like this. And you'll basically rinse and repeat, do the same thing until you're done with all the minced meat that's in this bowl right here. So we'll show you once we're done all of them and when we're finally ready to put this in the deep fry. Okay, so here as you can see, we have most of the kebabs molded into the shape, so it's now ready to fry. We have put them into hot oil. We want to let the oil heat up on the stove for a couple of minutes before putting these in. That's just so they don't break apart. Okay, so we're going to leave these to fry for a bit here and check on them every couple minutes, and we'll show you once it's done. Once you have all of them inside the oil, turn the heat down just a little bit. You don't want to have it frying on high heat for the whole time, so just turn it down a notch. When you see that it's reached a darkish brown consistency like this, that's when you know it's time to remove the kebabs and it's ready to eat. So that's what you should be looking for. So we'll be removing this batch now and showing you how it looks finally when it's ready to eat. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's ready to eat. You can eat this with ketchup or hot sauce or even by itself. And if you don't eat beef, you can replace the minced beef with minced chicken instead. Use all the same ingredients. and you can do it that way. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments. If you're new, definitely subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.